how to create quick shadows in photopea.com. That's what we're going to do in today's video, but first make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and let's get started. So just like in Photoshop, in Photopea you can have or create shadows for an object in many ways. We're gonna do a simple and quick way in today's tutorial that many people use it. And so the first way, it's very simple, but it doesn't create full shadow or a mirroring shadow. It just creates a drop shadow. It's by going to the layer styles, by double click on the layer thumbnail from here and click on drop shadow and then clicking on OK. This is the shadow that appear. Or the other way is by the following. First of all, copy the layer and paste it. Now we have two layers. The second step is taking one of the layers and click on Command Option T or Control Alt T and then unlink the width and the height and drag it until you see that it's enough for a shadow and change its size. Let's say like this, and let's say like this and like this and like this. Let's make the horizontal angle go with it to the right. When you finish adjusting the shadow size, click on this tick and then go again and click on the shadow layer and change the opacity to like this, and also let's decrease the fill like this, and this is the shadow. I see the shadow needs better resizing. Let's click again Command Option T and drag it like this and increase and decrease the horizontal angle like this. Guess this is okay, and then drag again to have better alignment. Get like this, and yeah, that's it. Guess this is a good shadow. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.